But if I told you that NASA has already flown a spacecraft straight into the atmosphere of the sun, not near it, into it. It's blazing through space at such insane speeds. It could circle Earth in under 7 minutes if it didn't instantly vaporize everything in its path. It's enduring over 1300 centigrade, flying through the radiation so intense it would melt metal in seconds, and yet it's still alive. And here's the paradox: the closer it gets, the less we actually understand. This is NASA's Parker Solar Probe, a spacecraft doing what no machine in history has ever dared, touching the sun, and what it's discovering could one day save humanity from a global disaster. But here's the kicker: Parker Solar Probe is not alone. 2 other satellites are watching the sun 24/7, and in our next video, we'll show you how SOHO and STO help us see the invisible. Let's dive in. For over 60 years, scientists dreamed of getting close to the sun, but every time they run the numbers, the conclusion was the same: death by fire. The sun's corona was just too hot. No probe could survive long enough to collect data. Then came Parker Solar Probe, launched in 2018. This wasn't just another satellite. It was a bullet made of carbon and science, engineered to do the unthinkable. With a 4.5-inch thick carbon composite heat shield, Parker keeps its electronics cool, even while driving through an atmosphere hot enough to incinerate steel. But why risk everything? Because the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, holds one of the greatest mysteries in the astrophysics, and the mystery that Parker Solar Probe was born to solve. The surface of the sun is around 5500 degrees centigrade, but the corona, the part Parker is flying through, blazes at over a million degrees. It's like walking away from a campfire and getting hotter. This baffling reality is called the coronal heating problem, and Parker is the first mission to confront it head-on. In 2021, the spacecraft did the impossible. It entered the sun's atmosphere, it flew through the corona, and it touched the sun. It collected direct samples of the solar particles and magnetic fields, giving scientists a front row seat to one of the nature's most extreme environments. Parker Solar Probe is the fastest human-made object in history. It's flying at over 700,000 km per hour, 10 times faster than a rifle bullet. In fact, it's so fast it can orbit Earth in under 7 minutes. But speed alone isn't enough. To avoid crashing into the sun, Parker must carefully slow down using a brilliant technique, gravity assist from Venus. Each of its 24 planned orbits brings it closer and closer to the sun until it's just 6 million kilometers away. That may sound like a lot, but in solar terms, that's like standing 1 meter from a fireball the size of a basketball court. And here's what Parker has already taught us: solar wind isn't smooth, it's violent, like spikes punches through space. Magnetic fields near the sun are unstable, they flip directions like rope waves. It discovered switchbacks, sudden reversal in magnetic fields that behave like an invisible tsunamis. And why does this matter? Because these storms can reach Earth. If one hits us unprepared, it could destroy satellites, shut down power grids, and collapses our internet infrastructure in minutes. Parker is helping us understand these threats and maybe even prevent the next Carrington event, a solar storm so powerful it could plunge us back into the 1800s. And guess what? The Parker Solar Probe is not working alone. It's getting real-time backup from the sun-watching satellites like SOHO and STO, which we will reveal in our next episode. This is the first NASA spacecraft ever named after a living scientist, Dr. Eugene Parker. In 1950s, he predicted the existence of the solar wind. The scientific community mocked him, but today the spacecraft bearing his name is proving him right. In fire, he lived long enough to stand on the launch pad at 91 years old and watch his legacy rise toward the star that once threatened to burn his ideas to ashes. A scientist, a rebel, and now a legend. Now the final question is, will the Parker Solar Probe survive all 24 of its death-defying flybys? Can it solve the sun's deepest mysteries before our planet faces another solar catastrophe? And one thing is for sure, it's not flying blind. In fact, 2 powerful satellites like SOHO and STO are watching the sun every second, capturing data in real time and warning us before it's too late. And in our next video, we'll uncover exactly how these sun-watching machines are protecting Earth from space weather before it hits. SOHO and STO, the satellites that watch the sun. And before you leave, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and join us for the next deep dive, because when it comes to space, what you don't think can black out your entire world. And I'll meet you in the next video.